Hi, my name is Shahid. Welcome to my family garden. Today, I will share the best method of planting sweet potato. I will take you through the steps of growing sweet potatoes from store-bought potatoes, including preparing potato slips, soil preparation, and planting them. So stay tuned. Selecting and preparing sweet potato. Purchase a sweet potato from the local store rather than a big supermarket. Look for the one that is free from any blemish or sign of decay and fungus. Clean the sweet potato by rinsing it under water to remove sprout suppression residue. Starting the potato slips. Firstly, prepare the soil by mixing a 50-50 ratio of compost and sand. Ensure the mixture is moist but not waterlogged. Then place the potato in a container, burying in the compost mixture and leaving the top slightly exposed. Position the container in a warm location such as a windowsill or in the boiler room. Caring for the potato slips. Once you see the first sign of a sprout, keep the compost moist by watering lightly as needed. Wait for the slips to grow about 4 to 6 inches in length. Separating the slips, you require a jar of water to keep the slips so that the roots does not dry out. Firstly, gently remove the potato from the container. You can see it has developed quite a bit of root system already. Now gently remove the slips by twisting them off or cutting them near the base. Place the slips in water for a few days to allow them to develop more roots before planting. Ideally, take all the slips that's about 6 to 8 inches long. If any slips are smaller, you can leave them to grow a bit bigger before removing them. I will show you later how to do this. Remove any lower leaves to avoid direct contact with the water. This will also prevent from rotting. Now cover the potato with a mixer again to grow more slips. Keep the slips in a sunny windowsill. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil by mixing in compost, organic matter and couple of shovels of sharp sand to improve soil fertility and drainage. Planting the slips. Firstly, remove the slips from the water jar and carefully separate the slips. As you can see, it has formed more roots. Now I'm going to plant them in a container. So I've removed some of the soil from the container and then I buried them up to the first set of leaves, which is 2-3 inches. And it depends on the root system, so you can bury a little bit more than the actual root and it will develop more roots, as you can see on this picture. I'm placing them about 4 to 6 inches apart, and now I'm going to cover the slips with a bit more compost up to the first set of leaves. These are vining plants, so it will require some sort of support to trail, or it can be trailed on the ground if the space is available. As in my garden the space is constrained, so I'm going to place some sticks to trail them vertically, and also it will provide support the newly planted slips from wind damage, because the roots hasn't been established yet, so it will require a few days at least to establish a good root system. So I am going to tie them individually with the stake as well. Let me know how you plant your sweet potatoes, or if you have any suggestion to improve. Finally, give a good soak. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.